Good morning, students. In our previous classes, we have learnt to recite the poem Ice Cream Man. And today, we are going to begin the first chapter of Marigold book. Wonderful waste. Can you tell me what is the meaning of waste? Waste are unwanted materials that we usually discard or throw away. Something that we do not want anymore. So now, think and tell me, can waste be wonderful? Well, yes, it can be. Want to know how? Let's read the chapter. Once, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. So one day, the Maharaja of Travancore, what is Travancore? It's a small place in Kerala. He ordered a grand dinner in his palace, and before the dinner, he went to the kitchen to survey the dishes. To survey means to examine something closely. So, he wanted to find out what all dishes were being prepared for the dinner. He had a feast in his palace, and a feast means a large meal that is normally prepared while celebration. So he wanted to make sure that everything was perfect. So he went into the kitchen to check. Now let's move on to the second paragraph. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." So, when the Maharaja came to the kitchen to survey the dishes, he saw a basket full of scraps, and he asked the cook and tried to find out what he was going to do with those scraps. What are scraps? Scraps are leftover part of something, especially the vegetable peel or the ends of the vegetables that we normally throw away. So, he asked the cook what he was going to do with those vegetable bits, and the cook replied that they were a waste and he was going to throw them away. Let's move on to the third paragraph. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Here, commanded means ordered, and sternly means in a serious manner, because he really did not wanted the cook to throw away the bits. So, the Maharaja wanted the cook to use the waste in some way. Let's move on to the fourth paragraph. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. In a fix here is a phrase which is used for a difficult situation. And staring means to gaze or to look fixedly with wide open eyes. So, the cook was confused and he kept looking at the vegetable scraps and he kept thinking, how would I follow the Maharaja's orders? What can I make from these vegetable scraps? Isn't this a very interesting story, children? Yes, it is. I'll see you in the next class and we'll find out what did the cook finally decide to cook from the vegetable bits. But for now, I'll give you a quick revision of the difficult words that you have studied up till now. Look at these words. Travancore. It is a small place in Kerala. Survey means to examine something closely. Feast is a large meal usually prepared during celebrations. Scraps, leftover part of something. Commanded, ordered. Sternly means in a serious manner. In a fix is a phrase which means a difficult situation to escape from. Staring means to gaze at something with wide open eyes. Students, you need not write these word meanings. They are only for your understanding. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. We'll continue the later part of the story in the next class. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, enjoy your classes. Bye-bye.